Redox reactions. This is chapter 8 of class 11th, where reduction and oxidation reactions occur simultaneously. Such reactions are called redox reactions. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, addition of electropositive element, removal of electronegative element, gain of electrons. If there is decrease in oxidation number, it is a reduction reaction. The substance is reduced. The substance is then called oxidizing agent. Oxidation reactions are removal of hydrogen, addition of oxygen, removal of electropositive element, addition of electronegative element, loss of electrons, and increase in oxidation number. The substance that undergoes oxidation reactions are oxidized, and it is a reducing agent. Here there are few examples of redox reactions. In the next slide, we talk of oxidation number. It denotes the state of an element in a compound according to set of rules. These rules are: first one, in elements in uncombined state, each atom bears an oxidation number 0. For example, oxygen, chlorine, ozone, phosphorus, sulfur, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, these have oxidation number 0. The second point, the second rule, ions of an atom, the oxidation number is the charge on the ion. Like sodium has +1, sodium ion has +1 charge, so its oxidation number is +1. Aluminium has +3 charge, so oxidation number is +3. Phosphide has -3 charge, so oxidation number -3. The third rule, oxidation number in oxygen molecule is 0. Oxide ion is -2, peroxide ion is -1, superoxide ion is -0.5. There are few exceptions in molecules of oxygen and fluorine. Oxygen difluoride has positive oxidation state +2. Dioxygen difluoride has oxidation number +1. Oxidation number in hydrogen molecule is 0. Hydride molecule is -1, and hydronium ion, it is +1. The fifth rule, in all the compounds, fluorine molecule has 0 oxidation number. Fluoride ion has -1 oxidation number. The last rule, the algebraic sum of oxidation number of all the atoms in a compound must be 0. If it is a polyatomic ion, the algebraic sum of all the oxidation number of atoms of the ion must be equal to the charge of the ion, as shown in the example carbonate ion. There are types of redox reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, metal displacement reaction, disproportionation reaction. Combination, where reactants combine to form product. Decomposition reaction, where a reactant decomposes to give products. Displacement reaction, there are two types: metal displacement and non-metal displacement. When metal is displaced, for example zinc, more active than copper sulfate, displaces copper from its solution, so forms copper zinc sulfate. It is metal displacement reaction. Non-metal displacement, where calcium dissolves with steam to form calcium hydroxide. This is non-metal hydrogen displacement. Disproportionation reaction, an element which oxidizes and reduces simultaneously. In the example hydrogen peroxide, oxygen exists in -1 oxidation state. It oxidizes as well as reduces to oxide ion and oxygen molecule, -2 and 0 oxidation states respectively. Balancing of redox reactions, there are two methods: oxidation number method, half cell reaction method. In oxidation number method, step 1, write the ionic equation with correct formula for each reactant and product. Step 2, identify the oxidation number for each element in the reaction. Step 3, calculate the increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom, balancing the oxidation number. Step 4, balancing the charge of reactants and products using the medium and water. Here example is shown. Potassium dichromate reacts with sodium sulfite in acidic medium to get chromium 3 ion and sulfate ion. Here we write the ionic equation. First balance the oxidation number after balancing the ions taking part in the reaction. Then balance the charge using the medium. Half reaction method. Step 1, write ionic equation with correct formula for each reactant and product. Step 2, identify oxidation numbers for each element in the reaction. Step 3, write two half reactions and balance the oxidation number using electrons. Step 4, balancing of charge of the reactants using medium and water. Step 5, add the two half reactions to get the overall reaction. An example is done. First we have written the ionic equation, then two half cell reactions and then balance them. Redox reactions and electrode process. A redox couple has oxidized and reduced forms taking part in oxidation and reduction half reactions. A standard hydrogen electrode has a standard value 0 volts. Here there is a table showing few molecules ions with reduction reaction and standard reduction electrode potential value. An electrochemical cell, please do learn the trick. Lone, left oxidation, anode negative. The cell is in which chemical reaction produces electric current, which is represented metal oxidation, metal with N electrons in the medium, with a salt bridge, metal undergoing reduction, anode oxidation and cathode is reduction. A redox reaction is shown where R represents reduction, O represents oxidation. E0 cell is standard reduction electrode potential of the cell.